Good morning to all. I am Dr. Sethupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today we will discuss about the power plants. So the power plants are used to produce the powers from various sources. So the power producing sources are different types. In one of the type is gas power plant. Some other types are diesel power plant and thermal power plant, hydropower plants. So which medium we will use to produce the power, that is called the different types of power plants. So this gas power plant is we are using to produce the power from the combustion chamber by using the fossil fuel gases. So the schematic diagram shows the oil storage and air intake compressors. Then the compressors are we are used in the gas turbine is low pressure and high pressure. Two types of compressors and two type of turbines, low pressure and high pressure turbines. These are all connected in a streamline and produce the powers. So this is the one of the power plant we are producing the powers. So the simulation shows how the gas power plants working. The working fluid is compressed air. It employs a gas turbine. The gas turbine consists of compressor and combustion chamber, gas turbine and alternator and starting motor. So the gas atmospheric air is sucked from the compressor, and at the low pressure level and high pressure level, the air is passed through the combustion chamber. In combustion chamber, there is a fuel mixer. So the compressed air and air fuel mixer is burned. So the burned gas is to flow through the pipes and hit by the turbines. The turbines will be rotated. So this is the basic concepts of gas turbine plants. So the diagram shows how the gas turbine works. The air is from the atmosphere, the air intake, used filters. The air is through compressor. The compressor is coupled with the gas turbine, and the compressor rotates from the gas turbines. So excess gas will be exhausted by gas turbine vents. So the gas turbine is connected with the alternator. The alternator is connected with the starting motor. So the starting motor first start the plant gas turbine and compressor. Simultaneously, the air will be sucked from atmosphere and the fuel is passed through the combustion chamber. So the atmospheric air is through compressor, the air is compressed and get heated. After that heated air is joined with the combustion chamber in fuels or oils. So the oil will be get burned. So the burned gas is passed through the gas turbine. So the gas turbine will be rotated. So this is the process of gas power plants. So the main intake is that take air from the atmosphere through air filters, then compresses the air to very high pressure, then compressor is rotated with the help of starting motor. So the fuel and oil compressed air is fed to combustion chamber. Fuel oil is burned inside the combustion chamber due to the high pressured air. So this further increases the temperature and pressure of the compressed air to high value. So the compressed air at high pressure is expanded inside the turbine. So the turbine rotates the generator coupled to it. So there are two types of gas turbines we are using. One is open cycle gas power plants and another one is closed type closed cycle gas power plants. In open type gas power plants, the regenerative is coupled with the high pressure compressor and high pressure turbine. Then same time closed cycle gas power plants, the regenerator is coupled with uh, high pressure turbine and low pressure turbine, and also coupled with high pressure compressor and low pressure compressor. The exhausted gas is recycling or reused in this type of power plants. So this is the difference between closed and open cycle gas power plants. So this is combined steam gas power plants. So the steam also used, the gas also used. The two type of medium used to rotate the and produce the powers. Thank you.